Yeah, I'm out getting my haircut. You see it looks a mess. Fuck it. Going back natural. I'll show you the place when I get there. My phone look funny because I got baby oil on it. On my camera part. Yep, that didn't make me any better. But yeah, I'll just record when I get there. I'll show you why I get it done. And if she let me record, I probably will. Let me get back to you. Give y'all a little sneak peek of my haircut. Looking like a dude or a dude. I'm here at Rita's Just Thread and Eyebrow Place. They open up at 10 right now. It's like 9:50. So I got 10 minutes. I try to just get this part edge up. I don't want to show you the whole thing. But she ended up browning it off, which I don't. So yeah, this part is, y'all, is bad. That's why I didn't want to take my hat off. It was uneven, and plus it was round. I don't like my haircuts round. I do like them like a dude, like more shaped up. But to the moral story is, I did find another barber, thank God. But this is like last year. So yeah, look at that. Which I don't like. Excuse my face, is breaking out. I haven't washed my hair in a week plus, to be honest with you, because I didn't know what I want to do with my hair. So yeah, she took some of my edges. It'll grow back. I'm not upset. I just don't like that round, because that's not how my headline is. It's not round. I don't think any female hairline like that, but some people actually look cute with it. I just don't like it. At first, when I kept looking in the mirror, I was like, okay, it's not bad. But when I really looked at it, I'm like, yeah. She started pushing my hairline back, so it'll grow back. I don't know if I'm gonna continue to go to her. I don't know. I might go to somebody else. This other guy, he does a good job. I should have went to him, but my hair was dirty and stuff. I just didn't want to. I think this is her right here. But yeah, I think this is her. I'm probably going to get these eyebrows done. Look like they're going down. I've been touching them so long. But yeah, I'll be back, y'all. As you see, I'm tired. I ain't even tired. I'm just hot. It's not even that hot outside. Like, I'm glad I did cut my hair down. I did, like, why do I gotta split? I'm just going gay. You know. But yeah. Hopefully my face will clear up a little bit, especially these bumps. The dark marks, they've been there for a while, but these bumps right here, yeah, hopefully they clear up. So I will get back to you. With you. Whatever.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Warning, y'all. Do not, I repeat, do not scratch your hair, comb it too hard, or brush it too hard before you using these products. My scalp was on fire. It didn't burn as bad as a perm does, but it was burning. And I was scratching my head before I put this in. I ain't thinking nothing of it because I wasn't using bleach or anything, but whatever's in there, it definitely took my damn scalp off. When I got finished washing it out, it wasn't that bad, but during this time, it was real bad. Also, another question. Anybody else have a problem chewing their tongue? I don't know why I do that. I don't even know where I get it from. But I just realized throughout this whole video, I was chewing the shit out my, out my tongue. But yeah. Oh my god, I look dumb as shit. Hold on. Oh. Oh shit. What the fuck is a man doing? Alright, I'm about to comb it out there and wash it out. Can't be replaced. This is the only thing I had on hand at the time. I do recommend if you is gonna use this same color, get I can't think of it, but get any type of shampoo for the color you're gonna do. Like blondes have that purple shampoo, so you know it can wash out the yellowness in it. Same thing goes for the red. There's shampoo and conditioner out there for red hair, but at the time I didn't get it because this was a last minute thing. You. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. I don't know if I like it. It seems too bright, but it don't look, I don't know. Looking on camera, it's like, damn. But, look at my glasses. We'll see. I gotta, I might just put some more on top without the developer to make it darker. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it look in the sun in the morning, because right now it's 1 o'clock in the morning. So, I'm gonna grease it so it won't dry out. I will oil it. I'm not gonna grease it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on it in case I want to switch it up tomorrow. I don't know yet. I thought my nails was there. I thought my, yeah, okay, I don't know what's going on with the camera, but I thought my nails was turning red, but they're not. It's not that bad. It's too. I feel like it's too bright. Maybe if I put some makeup on. I don't know. We'll see in the morning. This right here is perfect to me. The perfect color, the haircut, how I wanted, everything. I found a new barber. Shout out to him. I might keep him a secret. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah.